friends, welcome back to my channel today. So today's video is going to be a first impressions and demo using the colored Raine Safari palette. The packaging is pretty cute. I saw this palette online on Glam Reader when I ordered the Queen of Hearts palette, and the colors looked really pretty. They look kind of similar in a sense to the Natasha Denona palette, like some of these sort of colors, but obviously a little bit more price friendly. You do get a mirror in here, which is actually a decent size, and then there are 9 pans in here. So I also bought the Safari Raine lashes as well. These are in the style Glamazon and they are faux mink lash. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids. So today I'm going to be using the one I normally use, which is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So looking at the colors in the palette, I think I want to do something using these sort of shades here, the more greeny ones. So to start, I'm going to go in with the shade Congo Basin, which is this one here. And I'm going to take this color through my crease. The colors are quite pigmented. You can see, like, that color is very pigmented. The formula in the Queen of Hearts palette was really good too. I'm curious to see if the shimmers are the same sort of formula in this palette. Okay, so I've decided I might do a cut crease today, so I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to put that just at the lash line, look up, and then you can see where it's transferred. That's where I'm going to take the concealer to. Okay, so you can see I've used the concealer and just kind of carved out my lids there. Because my eyelids natural crease is down here, I've gone a little bit higher. This actually helps to make your eyes look a bit bigger. Now I'm going to go in with this color here called Lioness, and I'm going to start at the inner corner of my eye and kind of go across. And I'm going to take this color just towards like the center of the eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Green Valley, which is this color here in the center, and it's like a really shimmery sort of green. And I'm going to take that across the center of the lid and then blend it in where that gold meets. The green definitely looks a lot darker in the pan than when it goes on the eyes. So you can see how that's looking so far. Now I'm going to take the shade here on the end called Jungle. It's kind of like a foresty green shade, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to flip my brush over and just make sure the edges are nice and blended. So I've got the darker green on the outer corners. Now just to add a little bit more depth, I'm going to go in with this color here called Matriarch, and I'm just going to take that on the very outer corner. Okay, now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to make sure the edges are really nice and diffused. We're going to add some shadow to the lower lash line now, and I'm going to go in with that first shade I used, which is called Congo Basin. Okay guys, so I'm going to pop some liner and the Safari Raine lashes on off camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've got my liner, lashes, and I've also popped a lip on. I'm wearing the Safari Raine Glamazon lashes. They are very dramatic, as you can see. I don't know that I would wear these on an everyday. They're very, very fluffy. And for me personally, I feel like I look a little bit intense when I have really big lashes on. Some people, like my friend Courtney, she wears big lashes all the time and they look amazing on her, but they're very wispy. Like, they feel like very good quality. They remind me actually of the Lily lashes, so if you're looking for a similar kind of lash to that but maybe a little bit more affordable, they might be a nice option for you. But this is how the eyeshadow turned out. So overall, I really love this palette. This is the second product I've tried from the brand Colored Raine, and the eyeshadows are very pigmented. They blend really easily, and there wasn't a lot of fallout. There was just like a little bit from the shimmer, which dusted off really easy. I'm actually really excited to do a look using these warm shadows here. I mean, warm shadow looks are super popular right now, so I did want to do the green today, but it looks stunning. Like, it's so like metallic and melted. So do I think that the Colored Raine palettes are worth their money? Absolutely. They're super pigmented. You don't really get any fallout from them at all. And they wear, from what I've tried for the Queen of Hearts, they wear really well. So let me know if there are any other Colored Raine palettes that you were curious to try or you think I should try that I might like. Comment down below. And that is the end of the video, guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe before you leave. I upload 2 videos a week, Mondays and Fridays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.